ChainLink, you gotta love it. The way ChainLink has been performing is outstanding. We're just gonna take a quick look now. Looks like we had a nice leg up yesterday, a bit of a correction. We found support at the 21 EMA here on the 4-hour chart, and we're shooting right back up. So are we gonna continue to shoot up or have a bit of a additional correction? And that's what we're about to find out. So if we zoom out all the way here, right? Maybe I'll go to the daily just to give you a much nicer view of what's happening. So this is what it was, right? So we had this descending triangle that ChainLink was in. Definitely this is the bottom. Ceiling's right here, went all the way down. Ceiling's right here, all the way down. Then again here. So this is what happened here. If we zoom to the 4-hour, as soon as we had a break above, people started to come in. We went back down to retest and then shoot up again, went back down to retest and then shot right back up again, right? So the way this is going right now is very bullish, right? The fact that while everything in the market was going down, if we see here, everything was going down in the morning. For the last couple of days, we had major dumps at certain altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that. And Link is just doing its own thing. Link, 1 inch, I don't even know what 1 inch is doing, to be honest. But Link, 1 inch, some other altcoins are doing their own thing. Daya, you can see the money's being distributed into that. So with ChainLink right now, I think we will continue to have a bit of a correction. So we broke above this channel, this triangle that we drew. We went back down to retest, and then shot right back up. And we shot up 55%. 55%. So now, usually when you have a descending triangle with a breakout, we'll just, technically speaking, right? We usually take the height of that triangle. And for you to predict where we're going to have that price, looks like somewhere on the 25, 26 region. That's technically speaking from a technical point of view, not from a VeChain is good project, has a lot of partnerships or whatever, the case might be this way here for all the altcoins. We have great partnerships and the project is good and ChainLink's connecting all different blockchains together, blah, blah, blah. Sure. This is just strictly price action. So what's happening here right now is that we shot up and then we clearly found support at the 21 EMA in the 4-hour. And also it happens to be our second level of the Fibonacci retracement. So we did find this support, went back up, and right now, are we going to continue shoot up or no? So if we zoom in, right, maybe to the 1-hour here. On the 1-hour, we saw that this happened. If we zoom in and look at the candlesticks here, we're seeing a lot of resistance at this line. We're seeing that we're getting clearly rejected at this line. And then we were not trying to pass anymore. Sellers were trying to sell it. There was a lot of profit here, guys. A lot of people bought that breakout. And a lot of people were at a 71% profit, right? A lot of people wanted to monetize that. No one's trying to, not a lot of people are trying to just hold this for the long term. People want to take profit out. Some people, and then let's see the drop, for example. When it dropped, how much did it sell off? What is this right here? Almost 15%. So yeah, some people are saying, you know what? I just want to take 15% of the profit out and then let me see what happens. I'll write it out, see if it continues to go up, great. I still have 85% of my position. If not, then, I'll just sell it off when it comes back down here. So that's the important thing. We come down, found that support right here at the 55 EMA on the 1-hour chart. And I'm seeing rejection right now to this level, to the $21, $22, right? So this is the 1-hour. Went back down here. We found that clear support. Right now, if we're looking at the MACD in terms of momentum, we just had a crossover. That's why we're seeing that, right? So if we had, if maybe I'll show you on the 30-minute. On the 30-minute right here, right? We had that first crossover over here. And we saw it shoot up. Then we had another crossover to the downside here. People might be selling, but clear crossover over here. And a clear crossover over here. right? So this right here, this small candles, we had that crossover. And yeah, the fact that we were struggling to actually go above, if you see this, so we tried to technically, we're going to go above. Then as soon as we went down after this major run up, we didn't spend too much time here. We found that support. We didn't spend too much time on the negative. Then we went back up. Then as soon as it came down again, people are saying, hey, look, man, this is not moving anywhere. It's actually not going down. It's not. Look at all this red, and we're not going down that much. The price action is not that bad. And then here we struggled a lot to stay. But sellers struggled a lot to sell this and drive the price down. And then as soon as people see this price action, coupled with the fact that the MACD isn't even trying, the price isn't even trying to go down, it pumps. It pumps. Not pumps a lot, but it's a good 10%. It's actually a lot of money. It's a lot of profit for some people. So that's what happens right now on the 30-minute. We're seeing that, okay, maybe now since we didn't spend too much time on the bottom side, we had that pump. Is this enough to get us past this level? I'm not sure. I don't think so. We're seeing that clear rejection here. We're seeing clear rejection here. On the 30-minute, we're seeing the MACD starting to get ticked down from after a major run up like that. And we're seeing that the RSI is kind of getting stuck again. It's getting stuck again here. It's sticking down a bit too, right? So we're losing a bit of strength as we move here. However, the stochastic right now is telling me that, look, I want to go down, meaning that it's telling me, so this right here is telling me that this guy right here wants to go down. This is just some more exaggerated, RSI. So on the 30-minute, this was happening. We're seeing that huge volume here, relatively speaking, to the back, but volume also take down, right? Because you have not a lot of people would want to trade this. Now, I would not want to trade this because we're so overextended and we're going sideways. Any sudden move can go literally in either way, right? It depends on how many people are looking at this. And we can tell that a lot of people are looking at ChainLink. There's a lot of trading volume happening. And we're seeing that, if anything, any sudden move to the upside. So if we break above this level right here, right? So this would happen. If we break above this guy, then we might just keep shooting up. Then we're still going to have, again, this resistance over here. We need to break above this guy right here, the $23 basically. And then we first need to break above this guy. So if we keep seeing rejection here, we don't break above this guy, then yeah, this thing is going down, I would say. Don't take my word for it. Just take it and think about it. So now we're seeing this candle right here just telling us, this long wick telling us nope. And I think this candle in 20 minutes here is probably going to also have a wick. It's probably going to keep going down here and turn red and still go down. So if you go down, we're clearly going to have this support over here. But what I think that could happen, which will keep us bullish even if we do break down, is maybe something like this. So let's just zoom out a bit. I would say maybe something like this, right? Boom. And then we clearly form this ceiling, right? I hate putting too much lines here because I know it just gets too clustered. We're seeing this, right? It could be this. Boom. This right here. Could be forming this, right? So even if we break below, I think that's what's happening, guys. I think there's a nice short. I could actually be shorting this right now. I think I might. Anyway, so we're seeing this resistance, a clear resistance zone. Very clear resistance zone over here. And it's extended all the way down here. So if you're trying to trade this, you have a higher chance. I would say it's most likely going to go down, right? I don't think it's going to break it right now. Extreme resistance. We tried so long and it didn't work. Went back down. People came in to buy the dip, went up. I don't think they're going to push through it, but they could, right? The indicators are telling us that we want to go down. We've been up here for so long. So we could go down and find that support over on this line, which I think might happen. And I might actually short this, and we might. I'll probably put a video out, see how that goes. Maybe if I lost a lot of money, I'll let you guys know too, so you can make fun of me. If I made money, then it's good for you to learn. So this could go down. We could actually have that nice leg down correction and people starting to buy it again. And here at the apex, when we start looking, okay, is this enough for us to go above, or are we trying to correct even more? So indicators are telling us that on smaller time frames, bigger time frames, also the same thing. You know, we just crossed below in the 4 hour, but look, we didn't even try to stay below. We pumped again all the way up. The 4 hour has 47 minutes to close, so we'll see what this candle's saying. But I think this could be a nice short. And even with the 4 hour, look at what's happening here. You can tell I'm actually trying to end this video very quick so I can go ahead and start maybe scaling in. But this is it right here. So let me know what you think. Keep up with us. Join our Discord. Let you know what happened. Pray for me that I don't lose a lot of money today. And thank you for watching. Also, watch out for these scammers in the comments. There's a bunch of channels that are impersonating us, the same aMillionortheMoon, and they're asking for money on all that. So please beware. Do not give your money to anybody online. And yeah, just be smart about it. So thank you for watching, and please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and watch for our other videos that we'll upload today. Thank you.